Hey guys, I just bought this Doodlebug from a buddy of mine, and I put a Predator 212 in it, and it turned out pretty nice. Everything went together pretty well. I bought a kit from Hot Rod Mini Bikes and got it all in. But this video is about how to hook up your kill switch to your Predator. And it's actually very simple. All you do is you have your wire harness here that comes on your Doodlebug for your kill switch. You come down here, you have this green wire and a black wire. The green wire, you simply take it and attach it to the stud from your gas tank. You attach that there. Next, down here, you will have two wire. You have one wire coming out of your switch here. It comes in to this connector. And then you have the wire coming out of your low oil sensor coming down into this connector. So what I did was, if you can see this, is I took the black wire from the Doodlebug and I spliced it in to where the wire goes in from the low oil sensor. I simply slid it in to the connector, crimped it down, and then put this back together. And it works perfectly. The kill switch on the Doodlebug works, and the on-off switch on the Predator works also. So it's very simple. One bolt here for the green wire, and plug the black wire in and splice it into this connector here. I hope this helps. Have a great day.